Hello, my name is Mark Garlicki, and this video is to document the Penn State Facilities Engineering Institute Earth Day activity in 2022. The theme for Earth Day this year was Invest in Our Planet, and that's exactly what the sustainability team and the directors at PSFEI wanted to do. We settled on the activity of riparian buffer maintenance on Half Moon Creek in Half Moon Township, Center County. We teamed up with Clearwater Conservancy to complete live staking in the stream. Live staking is basically the planting of small trees that can protect the creek environment. The Clearwater Conservancy representative was gracious enough to scope out the property and provide all the live stakes needed for this operation. In total, there was about 10 PSFEI representatives working on this activity. It was a great sunny day for it, and it turned out to be a great event.
This is a live stake, and so this is used to help with stream bank erosion. We partner a lot with Trout Unlimited, and they do a lot of in-stream work. You will probably see there's a combination of large rocks. They do big logs with rebar, but over time those things shift, and so we need to go in with other things to help keep the erosion from getting worse. And so one of those things is live stakes. And so this is a very cost-effective way. We actually get these for free through a live stake collaborative, which is part of the Chesapeake Conservancy in Selinsgrove. So while it may just look like any part of the branch or whatever, it actually has a correct top and a correct bottom. And so this is because the plant has certain chemicals that go downwards that will help to create roots, and then ones that go upwards that create leaves and branches and flowers. And so when installing it the correct way is pretty important, because that's how we're going to get the best results. And so if you haven't seen a branch like this up close, we've got different nodes here, and these are all kind of the newest growing points of this tree or this shrub. And so when we install it into the stream bank, the bottom, top, and these nodes are where we're going to get new roots and new shoots. And so that, installing it into the stream bank and having it do the roots and do the shoots, it will eventually create a network of roots that help to stabilize the soil in that stream bank. Particularly this stretch here is pretty eroded and did not have any of the stream bank work done, and so that is where we're going to be focusing our live stakes.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you also learned something about live staking and riparian buffer maintenance. We encourage you to continue to invest in our planet. And until next time, have a good day.